So who are you?
Hi, I'm Dara. I'm the first mate. There's Captain.
Hello, Captain.
What's up? Are you not drinking? Is that
Who are you?
I'm his son,
What's your name?
Jacob. Heinemann.
And who are you? Brody. And then who are you?
Justin Brother.
And now we're gonna go down in our man cave. Man cave.
Now go in the man cave.
And now we're gonna go in the man cave. Oh, we got the cast netters over here. So Brody, are you good at cast netting?
Yep.
So are you gonna throw it for us?
Yeah, throw it for us.
Yeah, you don't have to hang your butt over the edge.
Throw it for us. And catch something like a pufferfish. Or a stingray. Yeah, catch a stingray.
Actually, you can't.
Yeah, actually happened to us. With our dad. Well, that
Whoa.
was really bad. That was really bad.
All right, he's a lot better than that. That was just a failure.
Yeah.
But he says he got something. What do you get?
Got something.
What could this something be?
It's a pen.
Oh, you got pinfish.
Got a pinfish.
Pinfish.
We got a pinfish.
All right, Brody, let's see that pinfish. Let's see that fishy. Yep, that's a pinfish in there.
Let's see it.
All right, now we're gonna go back on the boat.
That's a little piece of.
Oh, there's the water out here. And a boat there and a boat there. Then the big boat. We're gonna go down in the man cave here. We got our glow sticks down there. And our table, which is a turntable, literally, not the DJ one. Turntable. 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 You better close that door. Close the door. Air conditioning. And got our glow sticks. Over here. Bracelets. Yeah, we got these things. Nice glow sticks there. And then we got a turntable. It's a whole couch under here. Again.
Yeah, I know.
This. Alright, so here we are in the man cave. We haven't closed the top window yet, but it's a table here. Turn it like that. It's got all their glow sticks on it, already glowing. The glow sticks there. We got music. See there? There's also a bathroom in here. That's also a shower, which is right there. Bed under there. And we have our air conditioning there. And now what I'm going to do is close this top window up here, which is a little tricky for the first time you do it. Because you got to give it a little tug. Look out here again. See here. There's a party going down on there. And then we got more boats over there. It's just a really beautiful view. Everything. Now what we're gonna do is go down and close the top window, which is just right here. Pull it down. could also lock it if we want. Just like that. Lock it. Like that. We don't need to lock it though. And we're gonna go close this door again. So, yeah. So here we are in our man cave. Brody. Then we got Jacob. Mason. And then we have all of our glow sticks in here. There's a kitchen over there. Air conditioning. But it does get hot in here. When it gets too hot, we just open that up. Oh, we also got the cabin lights. And yeah, we got our couch. It's like a living room. Turntable. And that's about it. There's also a bed down there. And that is our man cave. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye. I'm over here with you cast netting. Brody cast netting. He caught a puffer fish, and see what he has this time.
Nothing.
Nothing that time. And over here we have two little baby pinfish. There. Brody's still cast netting. Which we will see him throw it.
Brody. Oh my God, Brody. What? I don't like.
Alright, Brody just cast the net. We're gonna see what he caught.
And I love net. I don't like that. Got one.
Alright, it looks like he got one.
Yeah, one. I got one.
Yeah, it's a little baby
Too small.
pinfish.
Too small again. Don't mess up the net.
It's a little tiny one.
Oh, there's the big dog.
So Brody, tell us how you're casting. Good?
Yeah, I think I'm casting good, not bad. I did a few bad casts, but mostly good.
Casting is actually pretty hard. Is there a little fishy wiggling around?
And you get to sit all the way up there.
There's a little pinfish.
You
Yeah.
can't get on.
There's our man cave under there. We can look through these windows here.
Justin, film me. I just saw one.
Okay.
Mason, I just saw one.
Looks like Brody caught a fish, maybe. Did you catch a fish?
No, not in here. I saw one.
Someone out there. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Go check out my other videos. This is just a special because, well, yeah. Thank you for almost 50 subscribers. And yeah, see you in the next video.